Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it. We have the Dow Industrials up 46. NASDAQ is up 20. S&Ps are up 4.5. All-time highs. Looks like they're going to close at all-time highs. Gold contract up $7.80, trading at $13.04 an ounce. Gold went from $12.92 this morning, $13.04. Busted through some resistance. What that's all about, folks, is that CPI came out. Bottom line, inflation versus deflation. Deflation is still winning out here. Silver up 11 cents, $17.38. Same type of setup. Silver actually had busted through that resistance point yesterday. Silver looks like it wants to range about the $19 mark. And when you talk inflation or talk deflation, what that comes down to is how many more times is the Fed going to go up? Right now, Federal Reserve next meeting is November. After that, December. The Fed is still expected to go up in December. What the market's looking at, though, will they go up 3 times in 2018? You have the copper market trading up a penny, $3.13 a pound. Light sweet crude up 80 cents, $51.40. The oil market, we'll go over that, but it doesn't look to me like the oil market's going to hold up at these levels. Notes and bonds, different ball game. 10-year note up 10 ticks, 125.22. 30-year bond up 27 ticks, 153.30. And if we go over and we take a look at these, what you're going to see is this. You talk about it, just this is the ever-ready bunny in a big way. So you've done 1.3 million contracts. You've gone from a price point. We hit a low last week of 124.22. Your ABC structure on the way down was a point lower than that. Bottom line, rejected lower price, and we built cause for 3 or 4 days. What we did here today is we got back inside the B point with an expansion of volume. So it negates the complex ABC down because we got the expansion of volume. What's going to be intriguing here is that, so 125.22 we're at. Next step up is 126.04. But what this put game in once again was the last high that was established out here on the 8th of September, which is the 127.28 area. We go take a look at the 30-year. 30-year is set up the exact same way. 30-year out here, trading at a price point of 150. Not 1 second. How did I do that? Whoops. There we go. Sorry about that. We're trading at a price point of 153.29 on the 30-year. Huge move today. Huge move. The volume right behind the volume, too. Right now, you've done 272,000 contracts. Bottom line, you're inside the 153.16. That's the number you had to get inside. Next step up for the 30-year would be trading out here at 155.04, and what is game once again is the 158.09. If we put this on a continuous contract and take a look at bonds, what you're going to see is that once again, bonds did not get to a lower swing point, which is just amazing, actually. Bonds haven't broke a major swing point, and they haven't broke a major swing point since 2000, folks. That's what's absolutely amazing. Last time they broke a major swing point was January of 2000. This particular time, we got close. The major swing point would have been 148.04. We got down to 151.07. You know, so in the context of it, was game again of these all-time highs of 177. You know, last time up, we made it to 159.16. So 159.16 would be first. But bottom line, all-time highs again once again. King dollar. Let's go take a look at King dollar, because in King dollar is going to be intriguing as to, number one, is it a small ABC down inside a larger ABC down? So what we have is this. King dollar couldn't hold the price of August 16th. That level there is 93,840. It failed, and it failed as soon as it got there, which is pretty amazing, actually. Comes down, had some light volume on the way down. It's building cars right now. You had an expansion of volume out here today as you got to lower price. That's a problem. Why? Because when we actually take a look at King Dollar, we put King Dollar on a continuous contract, what you're going to see on a longer term basis, it looks like King Dollar didn't even bounce. I mean, this is a vicious market. King Dollar was 103 January 3rd, the week of January 3rd, went straight down to 91. You did a bounce up to 94, 100. Now we're going to make our way back down into this 890 area, 90.90. And if you break that with volume, guess what? 88 is coming at us. That's going to be fast. That's going to be furious. And that's going to be pretty intense. Some of the higher volume stocks out here, what you had out here today. Oh, one stock that is absolutely getting hammered is PG&E. So PG&E, folks, is the electric company, PG&E Corporation in California. And what you have is this. That was trading at $69 2 days ago. It's at $57 right now. And what that's all about is the wildfires that are in California. They're going to face months of scrutiny as investigators look into the play of the downed power lines, because there were so many fires so fast. This isn't the equity's first get-go with equipment that wasn't sufficient to handle bad weather. You know, and in this particular case, they're talking about winds, because what you do have is that they have a case going back, let's see, on another fire quite a while ago, and it's still going on. You know, so the bottom line is that they just took billions off that market cap in a second. We go take a look at Google. Google trading at all-time highs out here. You get Netflix at all-time highs. Google is trading 991. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix also out here trading at 199 at 200 today. You stay right there, folks. Coming right back.